Okay, by popular demand, I'm going to do the 2023 ceiling fan update in my house, even though I said I never would. Do another ceiling fan video again, but while my parents are out of the house and nobody's in here, it's a perfect time to do it. So this is in my computer room. This fan has been here since I think 2007, because we moved here in 2006. And it is a Harbor Breeze. I don't remember the number. The name tags up here. The globe broke on it years ago. It's probably been, I don't know how many years, over 10 years ago. Came crashing down in the middle of the night because someone forgot to tighten the screws up. So it is much later in the day, and this is in my room. Same fan that I've had for over 20 years. I got it in, I think, 2001, I believe. And it is a 42-inch. Oh, hang on a minute. Probably see it better with night vision on it. These glows buzz on it. There we go. That's still buzzing. And this fan's very sentimental to me. It actually came from my old house. Because when I moved in here, this house had no ceiling fan in this room. So I took this one with me. And now we're in the living room. This is the same van. It's been here 18 years. It's actually older than that. It's from 2001. It really doesn't get used. And this is the kitchen fan. It is a... focus. Come on, camera. Here we go. But it has a problem. The pull chain's already broke. So we're out in the garage now. This is the ceiling fan. It is also a Harbor Breeze. It's original to this edition. I think it's a 52-inch. And the lights don't work out here no more. But it's still daylight. But there's that one. And this is the nasty ceiling fan out on the covered porch, gazebo, whatever you want to call it. It is also a Harbor Breeze. I believe I have this same fan in the master bedroom, which I won't be able to go into because my parents are in there. But yeah, this fan has not been used. The blades are wilted on. It's outdoor rated, but it's a 52-inch, 42-inch. I don't know. Like I said I'd never do another ceiling fan video, but because that's just not my thing. But there's the Harbor Breeze. Oops, I'm trying not to drop my camera. Harbor Breeze. It's been hanging out here for years. I can't remember when it was put in. But as you can see by how the blades look. Yeah, there's a sticker up there somewhere. That's pretty gross. So now I'm in the master bedroom, talking quietly. And this is a Harbor Breeze 52-inch. This is from 2008. It replaced an Emerson that put a hole in the wall when the blade bracket broke in the middle of the night. It was very terrifying. But yeah, this is a 52-inch. Now I'm in the guest bedroom. I'm talking quietly because my parents are in the dining room. But here's a 52-inch, 6-bladed Harbor Breeze fan from 2002. The addition was built. It's been here for as long as I've been here, which is 18 years. It's got the old Harbor Breeze logo on it. Come on, phone. Alright, I'm using my phone because my other camera, the battery was about going out in it, but I'm in the spare room. You can call it my second living room. I still have this same old fan that makes the scraping noise. Yep. And it is a Hampton Bay. And there's the Gold Star, which has not been ran since 2020. And this was put in 2006. It's a good old R22. It's too cold to run it out right now. It's like in the 50s, almost 40s.